This video was prompted because earlier this month I read an article in NPR about another Facebook hack and how somebody lost all of their information, which was then followed up just recently in an excellent article in the Avast blog by Christopher Budd, and that prompted me to go ahead and make this video of how to download a copy of your Facebook data. So let's get into the tutorial. Once you've opened your Facebook page, go to this down arrow at the top right corner, select it, and when that menu pops up, go to Settings and Privacy. Again, select it, and once this opens up, next you want Settings. Once this opens up, what you want is your Facebook information. Select it, and once you get to this page, there are lots of things you can do here. The first item on here, which is Access Your Information, by going to this and then selecting Personal Information, I was able to find out exactly when I opened my Facebook page. And I've had my page since March of 2009. But we're here for a different reason today. We want to download our information. So in order to do that, select Download Your Information. First thing you need to select is the date range. And you have lots of things: last week, last month, 3 months, 6 months, last year, last 3 years. And if you've never done a backup, for me, that's the case. I'll be selecting all time. That means everything that's there as of right now. Quality of the backup, you have choices. I want the high. Format HTML, save it like a web page, or JSON. You can probably get more specific information and do some editing if it's saved in JSON. I want to leave it as a website, so this will stay as HTML. Next thing to do is to figure out what do you want backed up. And as we scroll through this, you'll notice it's a never-ending choice of what you can back up. They're selected by default, so if you don't want something backed up, uncheck it, and that part will not wind up being saved. I see one thing right here. It says polls. I don't really care about polls. I don't care about events. Well, maybe on second thought, leave it there. I don't care about Facebook gaming. Don't do it. Campus activity, don't have any. Items I sold, didn't do that or purchased. Bug bounty, doesn't apply. As you can see, lots of things to choose. It seems never to end. I don't think I need news feeds, apps, and websites off of Facebook, and ads information. Don't need that one either. And that's the end of this list. Once you've made your selections, as I said, by default, they are all checked. So uncheck the ones you don't want. And once that's done, the next and last item on here will be to create the file. Suggestion is you do this once and then do this on a regular basis. Now that you know how to get here, it's easy to come back once a month, once every 3 months, or once every 6 months. But back up this information just as you back up the information from your computer, your smartphone, your tablets. It's your information. If something happens to it, you should have a way of getting to it again, even if it's been hacked. Once this file has been created, transfer it over to an external hard drive or a flash drive. I wouldn't leave it on the computer, just as you don't leave a backup of your system on your computer. It's kept on a separate hard drive. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.